Hello, today we will guide you through how to change employee tax withholding in Gusto. In this walkthrough, we'll update an employee's federal withholding details so payroll reflects their most current W-4 information. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct permissions to edit employee profiles and that you have the employee's latest W-4 details handy. The numbers you'll enter are typically annual amounts, so accuracy matters. Start by signing into your Gusto account and heading to your Payroll Administrator dashboard. If you manage more than one company or location, confirm you're in the correct company view. From the main navigation, open the People section to access your list of team members and hiring activity. Next, go to the Onboarding area. This view makes it easy to locate individuals who may still be finalizing their setup, but it also provides quick access to employee profiles you can edit. Select the employee whose withholding you need to change and open their profile. Take a moment to verify you've chosen the right person. Within the profile, navigate to the Taxes tab. Here you'll see the federal withholding information and, depending on your setup, any state details. Choose Edit to begin making changes. In the Dependents and Other Credits total field, enter the appropriate annual amount that corresponds to the employee's W-4, Step 3. This amount represents the total credits they're claiming for eligible dependents and other qualifying credits, and it reduces the tax withheld from each paycheck. Ensure the value aligns with what the employee provided. Move to the Other Income field, which maps to W-4, Step 4A. This is where you add any anticipated annual income outside of wages, such as interest or freelance earnings. Entering an amount here increases withholding to help cover taxes on that extra income. If none applies, leave it blank. Next is Deductions, which corresponds to W-4, Step 4B. If the employee expects to claim itemized deductions or other deductions beyond the standard deduction, enter the estimated annual total here. This can lower how much tax is withheld each pay period. If they're not claiming additional deductions, you can leave it empty. When everything looks correct, choose Save to apply the changes. Review the entries carefully before saving, since these updates will generally take effect on the next payroll you process. It's a good practice to confirm the employee's W-4 is up to date and remind them that tax outcomes are personal. For specific advice, they should consult a tax professional. That's it. Your employee's tax withholding settings in Gusto are now updated and ready for your next payroll run.